Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techwithdeepak. Today we will review about new upcoming Toyota Belta car. Toyota has revealed the Maruti Suzuki-based Belta for the Middle Eastern markets. Toyota Belta launch. The compact sedan is expected to be launched in India by April. Toyota Belta price. It could be priced from 10 rupees lakh, ex-showroom, onwards. Toyota Belta engine and transmission. The sedan will be powered by the Suzuki 1.5-liter petrol mild hybrid powertrain, 105 PS/138 Nm, coupled with a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed torque converter. Toyota Belta features. Its equipment list is expected to be similar to the Maruti sedan, including the 7-inch touchscreen system, auto climate control, push-button start/stop, and cruise control. Toyota Belta rivals. The Belta will lock horns with the Maruti Suzuki Ciaz, Honda City, Skoda Slavia, Hyundai Verna, and Volkswagen Virtus. Specification of Toyota Belta. Fuel type petrol. Engine displacement 1,462 cubic centimeters. No of cylinder 4. Transmission type manual. Body type sedan. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.